Welcome to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2012 on a 62 reg, wheelchair adapted Peugeot Partner Horizon with an allied conversion and just 24,000 miles on the clock. As you will see for the vehicle, this short video, the vehicle is in grade A condition, as is with all of our wheelchair access vehicles. Majority of them coming from Motability, so we can guarantee the low mileage, generally one owner vehicle and a full service history. As you can see, it's a 5-speed manual gearbox. That's all the extras that you need in a wheelchair access vehicle. Power assisted steering, of course, electric windows, electric mirrors, air conditioning, ABS, airbag system. It's a nice grey with a flash of blue on the interior. All the carpets in great condition. Carry around about 25 WAVs in stock. So they're generally Peugeot Partners, Citroen Berlingos, Peugeot Experts and VW Caddy Maxi. The reason we do this is because most of our customers taxi drivers, but we also provide to the mobility market, so we like to keep the vehicles in stock that are suitable for both types of our customer. It's a 5-seat vehicle or 3+ wheelchair. As you can see how easy that is, with tip and folding double rear seats and the single rear seats, depending on the size of the chair or scooter. They're also suitable for mobility scooters. Ring through 01634 716 911 if you have any questions. It's always handy to have the wheelchair or scooter dimensions to hand. You will require those if you are a private mobility user. Taxi drivers, it's a stage 2 conversion, so we have all the plates on the vehicle to stipulate that. It's an allied conversion, full flat ramp. You can see 4-point securing as standard. The yellow webbing there is the electric winch, and there's the ramp in its deployed position. It's got rear parking sensors also, finished in lovely Kianos blue metallic paint. If you're looking to part exchange a vehicle, we can part exchange any vehicle. Doesn't have to be wheelchair accessible. We'll help you through the process, give you a price, and you can let us know whether you want to take that price, or we can look at We Buy Any Car. We look at various options for you, as long as we get the best price for you. There you have rear seats there. Also the single rear seat will also tip down that position, and there you go. So all 3 seats will tip and fold out the way. It'll give you up to 3 people plus a wheelchair passenger. If you're looking for finance, you can apply online through the website. You can also give us a call. We're happy to send you a quick quote. Only takes a few minutes. Some of the best finance rates around. Apply online, get an answer back generally within a few minutes. You can even be in the car the same day if needed. We offer a lot of different services, home viewings, delivery, etc. So if you have a particular requirement, give us a call. 01634 716 911. We're happy to answer any of your questions. If you want to browse this car or any of our other vehicles on our website, it's www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk. Or if you want to pop along and see us in person, you can do so at Cooling Road Service Station in Wainscott in Kent. Postcode for your sat-nav is ME2 4RL. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.